Hello everybody, welcome back to the SMP. There's a freaking creeper hole here. Skype in a bit. Okay. Welcome back to the SMP.
Been a while.
Been a while, yeah. I honestly haven't recorded since Scott was here a week ago. About a week ago.
2 weeks ago, I thought.
Yeah.
About 2 weeks ago. Right.
Scott was here about 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
There's 3 people on. There's Ghost Cal, me, and Scotty. And, well, we've got 2 letters to Santa. We got Scott's list, which we can take over to Santa's workshop to make sure he sees it. And
Hang on. I want to come see the stage.
they're not here right now. They went back up to the North Pole. This is just a pit stop, and he looks here and gets what he can. Okay, letters to Santa. Oh, we got another one too. Okay, what does this say? Hi Santa, I want 4 diamond blocks, please. Fast, someone is after me. He wants 4 diamond blocks. Oh no, here he is. Come. Shh. Okay, I think he's gone. So Santa, help. From Ziggy. Oh yeah, and some ender pearls. Pending. I don't know why Matthew wrote pending on it. We're gonna...
Okay, the way that's kind of wrote out really reminds me of, what's the third journal in Gravity Falls.
Oh yeah. So we'll leave it here, and then Santa will see it. He's got his reindeer here feasting still.
My suspicion. You watch. Let's hide this before he finds it.
Okay, so next thing we gotta get around to just kind of seeing what's happening with Spawn.
Let's talk about the Flash while we do this because I don't know what to talk about.
Okay.
Oh, a nice episode. I can't say much because it'll spoil it for Keith.
I haven't watched Flash in a long time. So do not look until Christmas. Okay, and the actual date today is the 21st. This may or may not be going up on the 21st. It'll probably be the 22nd by the time it's uploaded, honestly.
It'll probably be going up in January. Schedule.
Yeah. Anyways, there's a Christmas tree there, and there's also this one where this is the official Spawn Christmas tree. Actually, I'm going to take these down. These look like, I don't know what they look like. I wouldn't say utter poo, but I don't know. They don't look like ornaments is the thing. A better thing, because this tree isn't too big, I think a better thing for ornaments would be mob heads.
You remember that Christmas tree we made back,
Minetopia.
Oh, I'm missing these days.
Yeah, so this is Santa's official Christmas tree, and this is the community Christmas tree where we can give gifts to people, but not until the 25th. That's
Since
pretty
I
much...
won't be here on the 25th. Here, I'll give you mine now.
We could do it later.
Hey.
Oh, he wants to tussle. You want to tussle? Huh? You want to tussle? Want to tussle, boy?
Can I get him?
Nah. He's just throwing snowballs. We'll get him back later. Anyways, this episode we're going to be doing Christmassy stuff even more. We still got to figure out what we're going to make. What else is kind of...
my eggs, boy! Ow. Now he's attacking me. Can I now kill?
Got him.
No, I want to kill, because I have got to. Cody!
Okay, back on topic. We're going to be doing Christmassy stuff today. I don't know exactly what we're going to build.
Hey, it's 9 o'clock.
Oh yeah, it is 9 o'clock here. We are going to be building Christmassy stuff. I still have yet to figure out what we can build for Christmas, but we'll have something in the next little while. Well, actually in the next clip. Yeah. I guess I will see you in the next clip. I was just trying to think if I had anything else to tell you guys, and really, no, I don't. So I guess I will see you guys in the next clip to build Christmas things.
Hell Hydra.
Alrighty, I am back here, and...
I have calmed down.
Yeah, Scott is not laughing at me.
Oh, I see.
Nobody got time for that.
Ah! You're not Hawkeye, bitch. Oh, fuck.
Maybe I am.
Not shooting my shot. Oh, shit.
Anyways, okay, back on track.
Knock it off, Green Arrow.
Okay, so let's start with the front 2 wheels. Now, we're going to have, like, 1 wheel. This is going to be the front 2. So we're going to have 1 wheel here. And 1 wheel here. And we want... kind of want... I forget what these are called. They're like cow catchers, I think is what they're called.
Keith, guess what?
Huh.
I got me.
I didn't know.
Hurry, bitch! Fuck my neck.
Crits.
Chris Pratt! Chris Pratt for the fucking win! Okay, so we're done. I did one of the 3 that I had to do.
Okay, there we go. Then we're gonna...
Keith,
We'll just use this as a...
is this wrong to want to punch a child?
I don't know what.
No, that's 2. Uncle Sam.
Okay.
You gotta watch the golf more.
Okay, that'll be the cow catcher here. Okay, I'm gonna fix leg here. Okay, we're back. Hopefully leg is fixed. I just had to change a few settings. Okay. So...
Alright, we're gonna call that last scene not canon.
No.
Oh, okay.
So we can do that.
We're doing a lot of cuts this episode.
And then it's kind of like a circle, so it's...
Oh, right, I died. I kind of died.
This... Maybe. Oh no, we don't want this part here. We don't want this. We just want this thing, I think. This.
Keith, you were able to recreate the freaking halberd. Why can't you build the Christmas tree?
Because I'm criticizing myself a lot more than I probably should.
Yes, you are. I'm gonna get a picture and just like go up.
Ah, that's all good. Like that? No, that's not what I want.
As a train enthusiast and not the Clown Man trains, that's for being a mega game enthusiast. Why am I making so many big ones now? Okay.
Does that look a little... I don't like that. Huh.
Yeah.
Let me get started on here so I can get a good idea of what we're doing, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, this is about as good as I could get it. I think it looks alright. I kinda had to look at a few reference images to kinda start off, but I think it's looking nice now. Oh, wrong block. Yeah, well, there's gonna be a lot added to the back after, so we'll kinda even out.
We're gonna build a cow catcher in front that looks like a boat.
Yeah. We'll probably put a cow catcher or something on the front at least.
Well, yeah, I'll say it. Or else
Okay, that'll be this.
Or else you're gonna make me say it, and I don't want to say it.
And we're gonna go...
Shit! Target confirmed.
Oh, no. Okay.
What do we do? Try and sneak around.
Split. You go that way, I'll go this way. Because he's shooting at you. Because you're not shifting.
Sand tower down. Come on, boss. I think I might have a plan.
Got him. Oh, that was cool.
Dropped down right in front of me. I was about to hit you.
He's come back and tried to wreck our thing, so that's funny.
He's saying bah humbug.
Yeah, bah humbug. Yeah. Okay.
That is actually the greatest version of the movie.
What is it?
Bah humbug.
Oh.
What else did what do you think?
Like this. Oh god, he beat me to him.
You're lucky I'm still here.
Yeah, you get under. I can fight him in close quarters. CQB, I can get him.
Okay, you're in the mine fighting in the freaking shadow. So hang on, quick subsequent question. Wouldn't it be smart if he teleported now to me? Oh shit.
I can pop.
You motherfucker.
Oh, he TV'd you way down there. Okay. I got a bow. I'll provide.
I'm coming after him. Nobody teleports Scott. I'm going flash on him.
Is he down there?
He's down here. Serpentine.
Yes!
You got it, boy.
Perfect. Make a break for it through the nether portal.
Another portal.
I'll give you blocks. Scott, catch those.
I'm like,
They're on top of the tree.
I'm like long gone, dude. Excuse me if I'm not pants like, that was hilarious. I'm like, yeah. So you think the funniest thing would be now to teleport him to me?
Him to me. Go. As long as we're in the nether, we're permanently setting up a residence in the nether. Just kidding.
You are?
Just kidding,
Lord,
man.
I'm like freaking Batman clown. I'm gonna show Max how to dance the Bat Juicy. Yeah, that's right. I've been playing Lego Batman 3. Had a night out with Adam West. I'm gonna dance the Bat Juicy. That was nice. These are really nice. Oh shit! You motherfucker! Thank Lord my respawn place is the mystery shack. You motherfucker.
I guess you're really not showing this to anyone.
I'm not. Well, Max is in the midst of attempting to murder me.
Okay, I'm gonna try and get back to building this Christmas
You
train.
get back there, I'll frickin' see if I can make it to the nether.
Get out of here.
Because
Get out of here!
you got it?
I'm gonna freaking break his bed. Yeah.
I will get to town so you can teleport back. I believe in you, boss.
I think I win.
No, you definitely won, boss.
Where is he?
Why don't you just get rid of his bed? I will get to the train, so.
Yeah, sure. If you want to keep working on the train,
No,
I'll.
I don't have to log. I'll get to the train, so you're not ready to beat me. I should have probably stayed in the nether, shouldn't I? Nice. Push him back into the nether. Push Max into the nether wall. Get back through the strip.
He hits me twice, then he'll spawn in.
Like, what the fuck?
Good boy. Good boy.
I'll find his bed.
Okay, now we're gonna get to the nether.
What? Did you destroy his
What
bed?
I?
Did you destroy his bed? Bye-bye. I'm really not showing this thing.
Okay, there we go. Perfect.
Destroy his nether portal, or he can get through.
If he keeps doing this, I might have to remove his op, because he's the only one on the server who's op. And to be fair, he is kind of abusing it at the moment. So I kind of do have a reason to do this.
I was about to say, the only thing I use it for is killing myself to get back to my house.
Yeah, I don't even have
That's
it.
all I use it for. Because honestly, I don't understand that SMP stuff.
If things go south in the nether, I'll just hit a pigman and dip out a portal.
So yeah,
Then he has to deal with those.
I have returned. I'm back.
We're back at the train.
I'm back at the train.
Probably.
Okay, so for the second half of this, I solemnly swear that I will be good.
I can hear my other upstairs beeping, but who cares? Who cares? Okay, let's work on this train. We kind of got distracted there for a second.
This will probably have to be a two-parter.
Maybe.
Please, can we make it a two-parter? Because then I can do the last one of the three that I want to do.
Okay, we can make it a two-parter.
Yes!
So I guess as of now, this is going to be a two-parter.
Mostly
We'll finish the front. We'll finish the front car on this, and then we will end off the episode, I suppose.
Alright.
It's still going to be a while, mind you,
It
but
takes me a while to practice to that.
okay. I kind of gotta look here. I hope we have cobble here somewhere. I'd assume we have a bit of cobble
Plus
somewhere around
mine.
here.
It feels so weird now that I have short hair.
Yeah. So 6, 18, back. Okay, I'm just sneeze.
Okay, die.
No.
Is yawning contagious?
Oh,
Is yawning contagious?
I think so.
Did you just yawn?
I kind of more sneezed. half sneeze, like, you know.
I want to do John.
Okay. So then we are going to go. Ah! He's up on there.
Boss.
Take flank around left. He's back.
He's ready for round 2, sir. Shall I show him what happens when he messes with the back juicy?
Wait. I'll show him what happens when you mess with the key.
I want you to come up, sir. Ah, shit! I'll allow him.
Oh, I knocked him off. I can take his position up here.
Fuck! The hell? You didn't knock him off.
Not for long. I think we win.
Don't attack me, I'm at 1 heart.
Okay. Here, you can take... Here, you take this. I only need 1 arrow. You can take that and that. There you go.
Do we need this attack, guys?
Okay, so this is going to be... Maybe we don't need the roof of the train this high. We'll cut her down 1 and see how that goes. Go like this.
He's back, sir. Don't worry, sir. As soon as I get back, I'm ready to hide monitor transport.
Oh! Those OP shots!
Got him.
I did.
Shall I return to spawn, sir?
Yeah, go for it. Okay, he looks like he's just TPing himself to spawn. If things start to get way
Ah,
up.
shit! Attack in the netherworld.
Should Shantai
Oh, ho, ho! Got you, bitch.
Oh!
That's what
You got him with the axe?
Yeah, that's what happens when you mess with the Scourge.
Well, to be fair, he doesn't have that much armor, so...
I don't have any armor on, and I still kicked it. I killed him long before he killed me.
I think you guys were...
Oh, how did he get into my house?
He TP'd you, in all seriousness?
I'm nuts, and now I know where to hide. The waterfall cave.
Oh yeah! I knew that thing would serve a purpose.
It does. It's the back cave.
It is.
I wish I could know if it's called. That computer.
Any targets on my hiney?
Yes.
What? What? There's only 3 people on the server. 3.
There's only 3 people on the server, and one of them is me.
3, so... What?
Recalibrate it. I'm gonna hide in the back cave for a while.
Sure. I'll finish up the terrain.
He probably thinks that I've disappeared.
Yeah, he probably thought maybe you went to spawn, so... He'll probably be at spawn in the next little while.
I'll leave him to you, sir.
Yeah, I can probably handle him.
You can handle him when I hide out in the back. The battery's around the corner. I just can see some chain protected. It's screwed.
Yeah, that's quite possible also. But I think if you just see him then, I don't know.
Plus I have the axe.
Yeah.
You have to leave an opening, because I have to leave my...
Yeah, there'll be... Okay, how's that look? So you can come up here.
That's actually pretty good. It's actually... okay, other than that we still need a funnel and a dome.
Yeah.
So, okay, we have a problem.
Here, I'll put a...
We have a problem.
Huh.
Not California.
That may be a bit too high. That looks good.
That's it. He has gone too far. You do not mess with my son.
See, this episode here is a little bit more... Maybe I would call it live stream style.
This episode is rated M for mature for the language I'm about to let loose.
Or the language you've already let loose.
They're gonna show him what happens when he messes with Batman. You think you're clever? You're clever. Hello.
The cow catcher doesn't put much here. You got him again.
No, now I'm getting worried. He can use my nether port, can't he? No, he TPs.
Yeah, he TPs him. I'm honestly guessing. Okay, there's kind of a cow catcher. You can kind of... Oh, That's not what I meant to place there.
Yes, okay, I'm in the nether.
Ah!
Unless he's in the nether too.
I could have sworn I placed this thing.
Get through the other side!
Okay, the cow catcher doesn't look that good.
Alright, I'm back at spawn after the seemingly long, endless attacks of the shack.
Yeah.
I think I may be finally safe.
Okay.
That or I'm just gonna get shot in the head. 3, 2, 1.
Just come here and you can fortify yourself or whatever. Then.
Try and catch me, sucker! Where hell's stand? Stare at me.
Okay.
I should really get a better security system. Need more.
Yeah.
I'm
We're
gonna
kind
hide in
of.
the train.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm being very kind of not talkative. As I've said before, and I will most likely say again, when I'm building, I am concentrating.
He's
So.
in the zone. Oh, so that's what you're gonna do. What I thought would be kind of a neat idea. Use fence posts and then underneath the pistons. You mother!
Is that potion healing or? Oh, he's invisible. He's invisible. He's flying.
It's everything.
He's poisoning us. Okay, log. Okay, I'll be right back. No, wait, this is going on camera. Okay, MC Pro. Hosting.
You will get to
Log
see.
in. Okay, console. You guys can kind of visualize what I'm doing. Slash. Okay, slash. Game. Oh. Check. DR. Not depot. Ghost. Oh, got a Steam message too. Oh, it's from Talkie.
I got that.
Flash. Kick. Ghost. Cow. 995.
I mean, depending on how this week turns out, I might be going up.
Bad kitty. Okay, that's what he got.
Was that a Catwoman reference?
Okay, you can log on. Okay, I'm still poisoned.
Not a Catwoman. Hey, we gave you invisibility, right?
Yeah, I'm in. Oh no, I'm not invisible. You're invisible.
I'm invincible.
Yeah, poison and jump boost. I don't see what jump boost is such a.
He just gave us one everything. Wait,
This won't
he
kill you.
wasn't creative, wasn't he?
Oh yeah, he was definitely creative. Okay. Back to the train thing.
Are we about to finish
We'll finish up the front portion.
Okay. Just let me know because I will.
Maybe we'll just put this here and kind of jump through.
It's taunting me.
I don't know. We could add to make it a little bit more festive.
I don't know, but this is gonna annoy me.
What?
The second half of heart. My poison hasn't worn off yet.
The poison was not from food.
I have to.
Let's see. Maybe we'll put a little on the back like this. Okay, he's back on.
Oh, bandit.
Yeah, I just kicked him off. Isn't he better not still being food? He's got jump boost.
I see poison
Just bring this
reappear.
You start chopping. Eventually. Oh, are you chicken? Yes, you are chicken. I thought he was eating chicken.
Okay. He's also vandalized the shack. Now it's, oh, hey, C-A. Yeah. You already know. If you don't know, we're Canadian. We live in Quebec. We live in Quebec and we're English-speaking people.
Oh my God, he's about to get ready to get tossed a ban here.
Whoa. So should I probably not come to spawn?
He's just throwing potions. Okay.
So I've been giving this thought since I've been recently playing Lego Batman 2. I'm still wondering that made up duck battle I had. Brainiac versus Mega Man 3. Oh, right, you just... I'm vandalized the shack. Shouldn't that be a third strike? Hey, wait, he vandalized the shack.
That was his first word. Okay.
The shack.
Okay, this is going to be the end of the first part of the two-part train building extravaganza.
Okay.
The next episode, well, next part, I guess, is going to be us building, well, the rest of the train.
Will our heroes be able to complete the train? And what about the dreaded nights? Find out next time. Same back time. Same SMP channel. See you guys next time.
Okay, could you guys leave a like and see you guys
Comment
later.
and rate and subscribe if you still have not. But now I can do that.
Anyways, catch you guys later. Thanks.